Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something very important. Did you know that you can see or you can get all Microsoft Word commands with just a simple word? Let's go. Now I'm going to right click here and create Microsoft Word document. Let me not name it anything. Let's open it and get started. When it opens, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on view. So I'm going to click on view tab and then I click on macros. So here I'm going to put in this word under macros name. I'm going to tell it list commands. Then after that, I'm going to learn. So it will tell me create a new document which lists current keyboard settings. So that's what I'm going to use, and I press OK. Wow, now you see these are all keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Word. So they are telling us command name, modifier, and key. All caps. If we want to put caps, capital letters, we need to press Ctrl, Shift, and A. Up restore, Alt, and F5. Auto format, Alt, Ctrl, K. Borrowed, Ctrl, B. Borrowed, Ctrl, Shift, B. Bookmark, Ctrl, Shift, F5. So these are all Microsoft Word commands. These are all Microsoft Word shortcuts. So it is just simple like that. If you want to get all of them, just put in that command under view tab. You go to macros and then you write list commands and then learn. So you will get all these Microsoft Word shortcuts. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's meet in the other video. Kazwe Patrick.